this is Srivanti. I am going to explain arrays program. Here I gave the header file slash include InString using namespace std. Here I declare the main function as int main. I open the parenthesis. Here I declare the integer and then I declare a of 20, b of 20, I, j, n, m. I gave the output as enter the size of first array. I gave the input as n. I gave the output as enter the first sorted array. Here I use for loop. In that I declare I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I gave the output as a of I. Here I gave the output as enter the size of second array. I gave the input as n. Here I gave the output as enter the second sorted array. Here again I use for loop. In this I declared I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I gave the input as p of I. Here I gave the output as the elements in the intersection. Here I use for loop. In this I declared I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here I use for loop. In this I declared j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Here I use if loop. In this I declared a of I equals to b of j. I gave the output as a of I less than t. I gave the output as the elements in the union. Here I use for loop. In this I declare I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here I declared for loop. In this I declared j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Here I use if loop. In this I declared the condition as a of I factorial equals to b of j. I gave the output as a of I less than t. Again here I use if loop. In this I declared I equals to j. I gave the output as t, break, return 0. Now I will run the program. Here it is asking the output as enter the size of first array. I will give 5. Enter the first sorted array. I will give 5. I will give the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is asking the enter the size of second array. I will give 4. Here it is asking enter the second sorted array. I will give 6. Now I will enter the numbers 2, 3, 5. The elements in the intersection are 5, 2, 3, 5. The elements in the union is 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I got the expected output. Okay, thank you.